If you watch this video till the end, you'll see if ChatGPT can build a working website in just 1 hour, and I'll show you exactly how you can do the same, even if you've never coded before. Most people think websites take weeks to build, but what if AI could do it instantly? I challenged ChatGPT to build me a complete site in 1 hour. No excuses, no backups, just me, a laptop, and a robot developer. First, I asked ChatGPT, can you build me a simple website with a homepage, about us page, and a contact form? Seconds later, lines of code appeared, HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript. Step 1 was complete. But pasting code isn't enough. ChatGPT recommended tools like Replit and VS Code. I picked Replit because it runs everything in the browser. No setup, no downloads. I hit run, and the website loaded, basic but real, a homepage, a navbar, and a contact form. But then, problem, the form didn't actually send emails. So I asked ChatGPT again. It suggested Formspree, a free tool for form submissions. I copied the snippet, pasted it in, and instantly, the form worked. Problem solved. But I wanted more than just plain text. I asked ChatGPT to redesign the site using Tailwind CSS. The AI rebuilt the layout in seconds with modern colors and styling. Suddenly, the site looked professional. By the 40-minute mark, I had a working website with multiple pages, a functional contact form, and a clean design. Then I asked ChatGPT to add button animations, glowing effects on hover, and it worked flawlessly. So, can ChatGPT build a website in an hour? Yes. Will it replace web developers tomorrow? No. But here's the truth. If you're a beginner, this is the fastest way to launch your first site. And the best part? Every tool I used, ChatGPT, Replit, Tailwind, and Formspree, is free. If you want me to test ChatGPT on something even crazier, like building an app or a full online store, hit subscribe, drop your ideas in the comments, and I'll make it happen.